looking for, trying to open doors, ringing bells, sending them to hell, all sitting by my side, expecting no surprise.